In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a skincare Shopify website step by step. We'll start inside your Shopify admin, head to online store, then themes. Choose a free or premium theme that suits a clean, modern skincare brand and click customize. Use the desktop and mobile previews to make sure the layout feels airy and professional on every screen before you move on. Next, set up your header and branding. Upload a crisp logo and a favicon so your brand looks polished in browser tabs. Decide whether you want a top menu or a drawer style menu. For product-heavy stores, a drawer can keep things tidy. If your theme has an announcement bar and you don't need it, remove it for a cleaner first impression. Design your homepage around conversion and clarity. Start with a hero banner that communicates your main skincare promise and includes a clear call to action like shop now. Add an image with text section to highlight benefits or your brand story. Include a collection list for categories such as cleanser, serum, and moisturizer so shoppers can jump right in. Round it out with a promo banner for a sale or featured products. Now dial in colors and style. In theme settings under colors, select a clean beauty palette. Whites, beiges, and soft pinks work well. Keep fonts simple and highly readable and maintain consistent spacing so your site feels serene and trustworthy. Create your product collections by going to Products, then Collections, and clicking Create. Set up acne care, anti-aging, and hydration, and add the appropriate products to each. Clear collection images and concise descriptions help customers find what they need fast. As you add sections, upload high-quality skincare images with good lighting. Use concise headings like Glow Naturally, followed by short, benefit-focused descriptions, and a strong button such as Shop Now. Keep copy consistent with your brand voice. Optimize for mobile by enabling swipe on collection carousels and simplifying layouts to 1 or 2 columns. Make sure text is legible, buttons are easy to tap, and images crop nicely on small screens. Set up your navigation by going to Navigation and then Main Menu. Add links for Home, Shop or Collections, About Us, Contact, and Blog. Keep labels short and intuitive. Customize your footer with policy links and FAQs, your logo, and social media icons so customers can engage beyond the store. If you'd like, add sections for an About Us story, an FAQ with common skincare questions, a blog for tips and routines, and testimonials to build trust. Finally, review every page, test all links, check the mobile experience, and publish your store. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.